In this short video, we'll explore some of the advanced features that help you plan and deliver your sessions with precision and ease. During the planning stage, you can build a clear, structured agenda by dragging and dropping blocks, and your timing automatically adjusts as you make changes. Organize activities into groups, keeping related blocks together for easier management and a clearer session flow. Or add blocks to breakouts, perfect for dividing participants into smaller teams for discussions, exercises, or problem-solving tasks while still keeping them connected to the larger session flow. Breakouts are also useful if you want to set different timings for the different tracks. Capture key details that don't have a timing aspect in notes and color code them for different types of activities such as facilitator guidance, participant information, or setup instructions. Set a time zone at the top of your agenda and all collaborators will see the session's timings accordingly. Each user can adjust their display time zone to view the session time in their own location too. You can bring your session materials to life by embedding inline images directly into blocks. This could be useful if you need to link slide content to one of your session blocks. These inline images will appear on your exported files and also count as attachments for easy access. You can add separate attachments to blocks too, then view all of them via the attachment sidebar and download them as a zip file. Customize the look and structure of your agenda using color text and background highlights. This is a great way to differentiate between content added by different collaborators. Add in bullet or numbered lists, hyperlinks, and even checklists too. Capture all needed materials, whether that's stationery, worksheets, or handouts, in the block details section, and then easily review all materials as well as any tasks at once under the tasks and materials section. You can also reuse your best content effortlessly. Tap into your personal or team libraries directly from within the session planner, or simply choose an activity from the public library and drag and drop it to add it to your session. Head to the overview view to easily move content between days in your session or between another session and the one you're working on. This is an ideal way to save time and effort by reusing content which you've already created. Drag and drop to move content, or hold down the Option key on a Mac or the Alt key on a Windows computer to instead copy an item from one location to another. When it's time to run your session, activate the time tracker with one click. You can let it advance blocks automatically or choose to control transitions manually. While the time tracker is running, you can see a timing status bar, so you can track how you're pacing your delivery against your plan, see if you're ahead, behind, and adjust it on the fly. Easily add minutes to your blocks if you're tight on time, move on to the next block if you're ready early, or stop the time tracker altogether. When you've finished running through your agenda, the session will be saved with the new timings that you used when running this session, but you can easily revert to your original timings. You can view all versions of your agenda in the Versions tab, and at any point during planning you can create a new version, so you'll always have one to fall back on if you want to go back to a previous state of your agenda. With these features at your fingertips, you're ready to plan, adapt, and deliver the sessions that run smoothly and keep everyone engaged.